Good day everyone! A heavy pack. First time kong bumili ng napakamahal na pack. So, kaya na-intrigue lang ako kung itsura at laman ng loob nito. At sabi ay nakalagay Combined Power Premium Collection. So, hindi ko rin alam kung ano to na talagang lalang gusto ko lang siyang buksan. And, how do I open this thing? Well, ayun. Dito. 4,000 fly away. So, silyado talaga siya. Ang sabuksan mo, hindi mo na siya uli may babalik sa simula. So, nakalagay dito 7 foil cards, 11 booster bundle, pack and 1 jumbo card. So, tingnan natin kung ito ang naman niya. At tingnan natin kung gano'n kalaki ang lulunod ko ngayon. So, ito yung 7 cards. So, walang code cards mo lang. Wala yan. Then, oh. So, ito yung jumbo card. Lugia. So, compare naman sa kanya. And, tatlong obsidian flame. Dalawang paradox rips. Lift. Ang kabila ay ganun din. Tatlong okay, scarlet and violet. Obsidian flame isa. Paradox rift. So, meron tayong paradox rift. Dapat obsidian flame, paradox rift, scarlet and violet base pack. So, start muna tayo dito. Scarlet and violet. So, ito pinaka mahal na nabili kong card. Bundle pack. Yeah, kasi siya. Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin. Kung sasortin ba tayo or mamalasin ulit. Yeah, so balik malis natin tayo. So basic fighting energy. Completely. Putuko, mga new cards. Josie. Oh! Nimola. Yeah, nice. The training rocket helmet. Mabos teeth. Uy, Miriam. Ba, first time. Clearium. Reverse Hollow. Clearium and Reverse Hollow. Tarantula. And a hollow craft. Go for our second pack. Oh, that was easy. Well, you know, when it goes too easy, maybe we have a hit. Hopefully, we have a hit. At talaga namang hindi ako nagiging maswerte nitong mga nakaraan linggo. So, okay. Good cards. Basic metal energy. Sculptor bag, Shock Pet, Sprigot Hilto, Hondor, Biblion, Dutch Bun, Tatsugiri, Fish Sharp, oh, Crocodile, oh, it's a reverse hollow, another reverse hollow crocodile, and, oh, ito, Milliardon, third pack of Scarlet and Violet base. Hopefully, bigyan mo ako ng magandang hit ngayon. Uy, hindi siya nagpupas. Come on, Gyarados. Give me a nice hit. Nice hit, Gyarados. This be a good hit. Lihoink in water. Play BB. Play Bible. Roulette. Starabia. Spear Thumb. Extra ball. Spectra. Reverse Hollow Sandakunda. Reverse Hollow Lihoink. And another hollow. Neo Honda. So, wala tayo nakuhang kapansin. Wala tayo magandang yan. So, paradox rips. Start na tayo. Hey, come on. Gold cards. By the way, I have to clean this thing up. So, screen from the other side. Yeah. Basic fire energy. Uy. Trigon. Oreo. Toad Skull, Paninite, Craftfully, another box of Luxurious Cape, Psychosar, Fliply. Oh my gosh! And I never expected it. It's an SIR tulip. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I have a hit, and I never expected it to be this good. And full key in the back. And where's my... And SIR. Second pack. Oh my god. Mine is shaking. So that's the reason why it's so hard to open. The fact. Nice, got away something. Code cards. Here. Psychic Energy. Gligar. Brick Bag. Pyokoko. Snorunt. Oh, I think I have another hit in the back. Splatter Beam. Technical Machine Devolution. Explode. Reverse Hollow. Zeb Straka. Reverse Hollow Magby. And hopefully it's a hit. No, I think it's a hit. It's a hit. It's a regular EX. Armagios. Okay, wasn't too bad. It wasn't that. Second para. Third para box here. Looking good. Still. Yeah, I broke the pack. I mean, old cards. Basic Metal Energy. I'm getting good at this. Zubat. Natu. Or Natsu. Yes. Corleon. Oops. Miyampo. Lekongpo. Uy, Mila. Shelter. Slither Wing. Here we can say. Blonk Seat. Oh, a Reverse Hollow Medical Energy. A Reverse Hollow Gargantua and Golisopad. Hollow. Okay, I forgot to put you in here. First the other two. Final pack. Oh, para box reef. Yan, I bought it again. No need to, I guess, you know, support card, energy, yes. Basic Leaf Energy, Elekid, Vanillish, or more like Vanilla, Onyx, Tinka. Oh, another regular Medical Energy. Isteni, Glockscar, Reverse Hollow Elekid. Oh, that was an EX. Oh, I didn't hit. Regular. And okay. A regular EX. Kofa Gribus. I think it wasn't that bad. I think this pack is still bad. I still don't get any good pack for this. It's a head pack. But this is an SIR. Tulip. I wonder how possible this. I really wonder, hoping to get them. Okay, last 4 pack of Obsidian Flame. I have a trauma on this pack. Burning Wallet. Again, hard to open. Okay, I should know. Okay, now I think I have to clean this thing up first because this is from the other set. Now let's continue. Wiglet, Shockley, B-Sharp, Magneton, Chemicorant. Uy, it's a Lapras. Wow. Masquerain, Reverse Hollow, Crabo, Moneyball. An SIR Pidgeot. Oh my gosh. And from the back, it's a back to back. Oh, Caesar. And a basic Leaf Energy. Congrats. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. I'm still playing centering. Nice. Very hard to blow. Okay, I still have 3 pack to go and hopefully we'll get another one. I'm hoping to get the Charizard here and here. It's one of the best gold cards. One of the best hit in this Obsidian Flame. Okay, I think I don't have. I reached my expectation too much. Basic Psychic Energy, Daraguma, Buizel, Bonswet, Magnemite, Team Starcourt. Oh, I like you, but I do not like too much of you. Altaria, Maui, Reverse Hollow Scyther, another Reverse Hollow Diggerby, and a regular Kraidol. Hollow Kraidol. Last 2 pack of Obsidian Flame. Please be a Charizard. I want a Charizard, please. Come on, Obsidian Flame. Basic Leaf Energy, Togepi, Bonesley, Dolib, Typo, or like a Tadpole. Okay, Arbin, yeah. Sandvik, Umbreon, oh my gosh. Oh, ano ko Umbreon? Reversal Doroguma. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, Reversal Togekiss. It's a hollow Togekiss. Please be a Charizard. Ay, nakaibilang disappointed din na may brother doesn't witness this. Oh, I'm gonna hit me in the back. Oh my. Sorry, brother. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have a little issue on this centering. This part is much bigger than the other side. So I'm not expecting to get a PSA 10 from this card already, but this card is all worth it. Yeah, worth it. Okay. Just a minute. Oh my gosh. And for my final pack. Code card. Okay. Basic Electric Energy. Larpata. Rowlet. Bumblebee. Slowbee. Bokulant. Crownavely. Kegravit. EB. Reversalo EB. Oh my gosh. Billy Lot and Remy. Oh my gosh. Oh, I cannot believe I get it. 2 illustration rare. Oh, double back to back. I pull art. Rare. Low bit. And an SIR. Remy. Oh, shit. This is gonna be so fun. Thank you very much. Worth it yung 4,199 ko. Ang dami ko nakuhang hit. This is a very, very good. I don't even regret buying that card. I got 2 SIR.